Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Calissa, and today I'm going to be reviewing the new Beauty Blender spray. It's a redo, set, and refresh spray. It just came out. I'm really excited to kind of demo it and show it to you guys. I did use it yesterday, but I'm going to explain all of that in the video. Now, this tutorial, yes, it's going to be going up after this video, so if you see me with like the same outfit, the same hair, and the makeup, it's because I obviously filmed them on the same day, but I wanted these two things to be separate so that those who were interested in knowing about the Beauty Blender spray, that they don't, like, if they don't want to watch the tutorial, they don't have to, they could just know my thoughts on the spray. I thought that it would be a little bit more helpful and easier for people to find than me just like doing a review inside a tutorial. And yeah, it's just easier all around. If you guys want to know about this makeup look, the video is going to be coming up, but this video is going to be all about this baby and this bad boy right here. Once they announced that they were coming out with this, I was like, I gotta have it, because me and setting sprays is like, we there, you know. So I don't have anything on my face, and I do have the, I'm just putting my hair back because obviously I'm going to be using the spray, but I do have the Beauty Blender foundation on, and this one is the only foundation that they have. It's called the Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. I'll have it linked down below if you want to know my thoughts on this, but I really do like this foundation, so obviously this foundation should go with the spray, so I thought, why not use the foundation that the brand makes, duh. And I did use the Beauty Blender to apply this. I used the black one, if you want to know. Super excited. So this is how the box looks. This is how the box looks. Super sleek. I love the pink. Like, the name of this is the Beauty Blender Redo Set and Refresh Makeup, and this is supposed to, you could use it to retouch your makeup. So you can actually spritz that spray on the sponge to easily like reblend and kind of retouch your makeup, or you can use it as a setting spray, and it's going to basically give your skin a boost of luminosity and hydration. And this is supposed to have like some antioxidants in it. Let me see. It has antioxidants, birch water extract, hyaluronic acid, silk cocooing extract, and probiotics. It hydrates, it soothes, and it adds luminosity to the skin. So I did get mine at Sephora, and they said they were supposed to be launching January 4th, but when I went on Sephora, it was for sale, so I bought it. Yeah, so right now actually it says that you can add it to the basket. It's 30 bucks. It says it has hydrolyzed silk to condition the skin. It has hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid to moisturize the skin, and then it has lactobacillus ferment lysate, which helps to balance skin. This is cruelty-free and it's gluten-free. And what you need to know, so the first part of this is basically like a two-phase. It has two different types of liquids in it. So it's a supercharged water which contains antioxidants. Like I said, I'm just gonna read what it says so that it can be a little bit easier instead of me like chopping it up. So it says it contains antioxidants, white birch extract, hyaluronic acid, to protect the skin as well as to hydrate, which is the first part. And then the second part of that is like a milky oil, which is supposed to nourish the skin and balance the skin with the skin cocooning silk extract and soothing probiotics. And you're supposed to shake it well. So this is basically kind of like you know those what are they called? The waters that you take your face off, that you take your makeup off with, micellar. Like the micellar waters have like those two kind of biphase. This has the same thing, so you have to make sure that all the time you use it, right before you use it, you need to shake it. Very important. And for you to know that it's thoroughly shaken, the whole product would look white, and on the top you would see like little bubbles, and that's how you know that all of the solution in there is all mixed in together. And this does not say that this is gonna prolong the wear of makeup. This is more for like luminizing, hydrating, and to protect your skin like from like antioxidants and stuff. So, and just to like nourish the skin, but it doesn't say to prolong the wear. So I just want to make sure that everybody's on the same page here. And I do have oily skin, but when I use a really matte foundation, and for this foundation I feel like is like a matte, you know, so I feel like it's a good thing that they made this spray to counteract like the matteness. But this foundation, which is the Beauty Blender foundation, I love, and it lasts a really good amount of time. So I think that this is going to work good with it. So this is going to be like a proper review of the product because I'm using the foundation that the same brand makes. You know what I'm saying? I had to go with the pink background because hello, it's pink. Like, we gotta do this. So I just took off the first cap, and then it has a second cap, which is really nice because it's very sturdy and protective. Kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay, you know, all-nighter, all those sprays, because it always comes with like 2 caps, which is cool. And actually the mist is super fine, so I just wanted you to see. Look at my finger. Yesterday I noticed that too, that I was spraying it on my face and there was little droplets of water like falling. So if this has oil in it, I actually wouldn't use this spray with a shirt that you really like, because oil on a shirt, they don't mix. And also I have a hack. If you spill oil on your shirt, you need to put baby powder. Put baby powder on it, and when you put it in the washer, it'll be like you never had that oil stain there. Happened to me yesterday. It was a lifesaver. I'm going to try it. I just want you guys to take a look at my skin. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more. So this is how my skin looks. And then I'm going to spray this, and then I'm going to dry my skin with my little fan that I have here. So I have to go like really close all the way like that because the mist is so fine, which I don't mind because I would rather have a super fine mist than a really harsh mist. I'm so shy with it. The only thing right now that I can critique it about is the smell. I don't think that the smell is very pleasing. It doesn't smell horrible, but it doesn't smell really good. But taking a look at my skin, obviously you can see that it looks extremely dewy. Come in. Okay, so this definitely does dewify your skin. This kind of reminds me of the Tatcha Dewy Luminous Skin Finish. So I feel like this is more of like an affordable, like a more affordable one. And I think that's a good thing because the Tatcha one is like $60 and this is half the price. So, a dupe. I like that. A redo. It really redoed my face, okay? I'm feeling my face, and my face does feel pretty tacky. And it just depends on like your skin type, if that is a good thing for you. And if you have super dry skin, this is going to be amazing for you. If you love to look super dewy, that's going to be amazing for you. But if you're super oily and you have to stay away from anything that is anything kind of oily-ish, I wouldn't recommend this product because this literally is to dew your skin, for dewy. I don't think it took a whoa. Oh, so my eyeshadow, and I'm wearing my good eyeshadow primer, so you cannot spray this on your eyeshadow, people. Oh my goodness, look, it's all oily. So be careful, cover your eyes. Anywhere you get oily, do not spray this on your eye makeup because you're gonna ruin your makeup. So my final thoughts on this product, I would give it an 8 out of 10. And it loses 1 point for me because of the smell. The smell is not really amazing, so it kind of knocks off a point for me there. And then also my eyeshadow creased, and I'm wearing like my heavy duty Smashbox 24-hour eyeshadow primer, and this like never happens. So I know that this product, you're gonna have to be super careful spraying it around your eye area. I wouldn't even do it. I literally would cover my eyes and I'll just and make sure to protect your eye makeup, because if you spray this on your eye makeup, you are screwed, girl. I mean, I guess it's like kind of cute, like if you're kind of going for like an oily type of eyelid, but since that wasn't the plan today, I'm kind of like shook if I think it does everything that it says. It makes, I mean, the name is dewy, you know what I mean? So it's supposed to be dewy. So if you look really oily, it's meant to dewify your face. And this doesn't say anything about prolonging the wear, so I don't expect it to prolong the wear. That's what like my Urban Decay All Nighter spray is for. I think that a lot of girls are gonna love this spray. This literally is like the Tasha one, so it's gonna be way more affordable for those of you who like want to be like Kim Kardashian and use the Tasha one. No, get the Beauty Blender one because this one's practically the same thing. So yeah, for me, it gets an 8 out of 10. I do really like it. If you are looking for a spray that makes you super glowy and luminosity and gives you hydration, look no further than this one. I think this one is like your best bet. Make sure you protect your eyes, you spray it all around, and you're gonna be good to go. You're gonna be dewifying and glowing, and they're gonna see you from Mars from here, okay? I got mine at Sephora, and they're also selling it at the Beauty Blender website. It's 30 bucks, like I said, so I really like it. That is all that I have to tell you guys today. If you guys like this video, make sure that you click subscribe and that you hit the notification bell in order to be notified when I post new videos, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I believe this is going to be my last video before the new year, so if I haven't told you already, Happy New Year to my little Bembas. Thank you so much for almost 1,200 little Bembas. I am so happy that you guys are here on the journey with me, and hopefully this year we just keep growing and growing and growing and growing. Hope you guys have an amazing and blessed New Year's. Be safe, be glam, be dewy. That is all I have to tell you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope my little Bembas have a blessed day. Bye. Happy New Year.